Oh, they're still there. Dude, you don't like my hiccups? They have a funny noise. You don't like my hiccups? No, I don't want them. I want them to go away. No. Stop. How do you have hiccups?
Not like that. Mine are not over dramatic like that. Mine are just like they're like a little.
They're big hiccups.
Are they gone?
Your face is priceless. I burped with that one. What? But why are you guys making such weird faces when you record me? No, I'm getting dizzy. I think they're gone. Nope. I don't want to hiccup anymore. Thank you. Wait for it. You sound like a frog. Give up.
You still have the hiccups? They're so dramatic.
I have dramatic hiccups. Boo! But is that gonna work? I don't think that's ever worked for me.
Can you drink more water? Let me see. And then if that doesn't work, we're gonna have to make you lay upside down.
Drinking water upside down usually works for me.
Drinking water upside down?
Yeah, you've never done that?
No.
Drink water upside down like this. It works.
You sure it's not that your mind isn't just on something else?
My mind is something else?
Your mind is on something else. Like you're trying to concentrate so hard on doing something.
Oh, maybe that's what it is. You see? It's not that difficult. I'm gonna go.